DR440 coming back at you with a quick tip. I'm working on the LT1 Roadmaster from 1994. Had a bit of a knocking sound when you first crunk it up. Sounded a lot like rod knock, but it'd go away after a certain amount of time. And what we find? Back half of the starters broke off. And it sounded kind of like this. Sound like a pinball machine, don't it? Either ways, that thing you think is rod knock might not be rod knock. But since I've diagnosed the problem, I'm gonna have me a shot of rum. Be sure and check it, folks. Have a good day.